And I need to, let's see, this is black. We'll start with the black and then the white. And we'll square up all. Okay, remember, always have that drop shadow underneath it.
Do you still need this?
Hmm?
Do you still need this?
No, thank you. Just punch it. First thing, drop shadow. Okay, and then in the dark areas, isn't it white? Okay, in the dark areas, you put a little separation between the black and the plastic. I mean the shadow side and the plastic. So I'll put that little highlight in between there. See, now it reads better. Okay, you can see that line in there. Okay, and also areas like where the base and the vertical parts make contact, I'll go ahead and put a little highlight along that edge there, and that crispens it up and makes it look and read better. Okay, so now I can come in there and do some of the other things. The speaker. Okay, the speaker front is obviously some sort of a stretched material or fabric. So what I want to do is I want to separate that by using some sort of a part line. Okay, and then this comes down a little bit further. Okay, and then we have this corner. And this surface here.
I thought you were going to do that in white.
Hmm?
I thought you were doing that in white.
Okay, we have to have a black part line first. Remember, anytime you have a part or two pieces that come together, you have that part line. Okay, and behind or below the part line is a highlight. So this is horizontal. So behind that part line is my highlight. So here's my highlight for that. This right there is Zep. Okay, and over here, since I'm looking in that direction, behind my
It's on
part
the side
line.
of it?
Huh?
It's on the side?
What's
Like
it?
the other surface?
Yeah. Okay, on the plastic side, let's just say, here's my highlight for that part. Boom. You can see it now. I'll move it over a little bit further. And good. Okay, so now you can read those part lines a little bit better. You can even put a little highlight right along there. Okay, and I'll do the same thing on the other side. And what this also does is if I have little goobers or little indents in my material, I can go ahead and clean it up by just running
Since it's a stretched fabric,
the...
wouldn't we do it sort of like we did our towel? It is more like organic?
No, because when they machine these things so tight, typically it's like a like kind of window screen mesh. And what they'll do, but it's not the plastic one, it's the metal one. And what they'll do is they'll put it in a stamp, and they'll stamp it, boom, so it holds that form, and then they go ahead and clip it on. You know. Trust me. Okay, come on, so far so good. And I can, if I have any boogers that I need to clean up, I can just come, because it's so dark you can't even see these things. I just run my sweep across there, zap. Hit this one across here.